Georgia think this is for play. We're about to make oils. So they could look like this. And this already has the oil in it. And this is my my clear bottles. So you can order in clear, the amber glass bottles, big or small. We just did the oil. No. I'm trying to show y'all this like really quick because I would just do this all on my table right here, but just showing you really quick because Georgia's right here. Take that down. Close it with the top.
Go, Mommy.
So I pre-made the oils already at home, like the handmade oil. Then I come here. I pour the oils in the bottles with my my little funnel. And then after I do that, I take the Dawn liquid detergent soap and pour water in here and then rinse it off so none of the sticky stuff get on it. Then I take my labels, which is here. My labels, which is here. And then I stick them on and then voila. Georgia's helping make it. Good job. Yay. You did good. No more. So now we just, this is warm water, by the way. That's oil. So we just let it sit in here, get all of the oils off. So now the hair growth oils are ready to be labeled. So now they will go through labeling after they're thoroughly washed and dried off, which we just did that. So now when I come back, I'll show you how I label it. So we'll do this label right here, and we just take it like this, like so, and we'll just stick it on like this. And there you have it. These ones will stick on like this. Now these are ready for delivery to be shipped out in a shipping package, which are these. And if you guys want to know more about that, then make sure you comment because I think I have a video on that. I will link below. But yeah, also these are her hair bonnets, her baby hair bonnets that we package in and put labels on them too. So yeah, I'm going to show you. So this is another. And so this is a whole collection from Georgia. Okay, so that's one package with the hair bonnet.